napakalaking farm at napakagarang mga motor at maraming mga tao. Alam niyo ba kung nasaan ako? Nandito tayo sa Ormoc City upang saksihan ang kanilang 4th Piña Festival 69th Unity Ride. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Alright.
Wrapped up in my blanket, might throw a party, none of you invited.
Hello guys! Magandang umaga sa ating lahat, magandang araw sa ating lahat. At sa araw na ito ay nandito tayo ngayon dito sa Ormoc. Specifically nandito tayo sa Sal's Pineapple. At nandito tayo sa may malaking farm ng pineapple. Tingnan nyo yung nasa likod natin. Nandito tayo upang saksihan yung 4th Piña Festival 69th Unity Ride at tayo isasali. So tingnan natin kung anong rota ngayon. Kakasama natin of course sila si Lodi Cake Jetly, Rides with Daniela, Together We Ride, Brands, at marami pang iba na nandito ngayon. At makikita natin sa likuran natin ang dami ng motor. Tingnan natin ang daming lumahok dito. Ayan si Sir Gabriel ng Together We Ride. Alright. Yes. So ayan guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang lugar.
Don't expect me there, looking nice, looking nice. I got all I need here alone now. Red wine, no lie, no one shine. 'Cause I deserve it. She knows that I deserve it. That I deserve it.
Long live. So ayan nga naman guys, grabe, ang dami ng kalahok sa Unity Ride na to. Ayan si Kuya Jane.
Yung
cool.
Yung artista, artista na
Ayan So ayan guys, ang daming ang kalahok sa araw na ito dito sa kanilang 69th Unity Ride. At makikita natin si Lodi Cakes na nagsushoot pa dito sa harapan ng malaking pineapple farm. At ayan si Kay at si Kuya Jean at saka si Kuya Wayne. At may mga taong nakatingin kay Lodi Cake, of course, ang kanyang mga followers siguro yan. At eto pa nga, wow, ang dami talagang magagandang motor. Ayan nga guys, ang ganda ng mga motor.
It's for you, being that girl you like, such a hustle.
At ayan na nga guys, makikita natin na nagsidatingan pa yung ibang kalahok na sumali sa Unity Ride. At ang ganda talaga ng tanawin sa lugar na ito. Ang sarap ng simoy ng hangin. At makikita mo dito ang naglalakihang farm ng pineapple. At ang dami pang mga tanim na pineapple.
Do it, but don't expect me there, looking nice. I got all I need here alone now. Red wine, no lie, no one inside. 'Cause I deserve.
So ayan guys, malapit nang mag-take out at nag-briefing muna. Ayan, welcome muna ng mga kasaygen at kung ano pa. Ayan, daming motor dito. Ang ganda-ganda, nasa likuran natin.
Custodio, please.
I deserve it. What's that? You got questions? Well, I'm a little busy pouring a drink. Okay, you can leave a message, I'll call you later.
At ito, nakita natin si Lodi Cake at si Rides with Daniela at si Kay. At ayan si Kuya Win, nagbabay-babay pa. Alright. At hindi nagtagal, ay may surprise presentation pala yung dalawa. Si Kay at si Lodi Cakes at si Rides with Daniela ay medyo nahihiya. Alright, tingnan nga natin yung kanilang sayawan. Alright.
Don't expect me there, looking nice, looking nice. I got all I need here alone now. That's right. Red wine, no lie, no
nagpre-prepare na po ang lahat para sa take-off. Kita natin busy yung iba. Pine-prepare po yung kanilang mga motor upang makapagsimula na yung take-off natin. So tara, tignan natin yung take-off. Alright!
I've been spending all my time doing something, getting my hair real cute just for you, being that girl you like, such a hustle. So tonight I'm gonna like myself, no excuse. I'm feeling fancy, wrapped up in my blanket, might throw a party, none of you invited. If you're going out, honey, do it, but don't expect me there looking nice. I got all I need here alone now. Red wine, low light, no one inside, 'cause I deserve it. He knows, she knows that I deserve it. They know, I know that I deserve it. Who knows, we know. Red wine, low light, no one inside, 'cause I deserve it. What's that? You got questions? Well, I'm a little busy pouring a drink. Okay, you can leave a message, I'll call you later. Well, maybe on second thought, I'll delete. Huh? 'Cause I'm feeling fancy, dancing in my sweatpants.
And guys, napakagandang araw, napakagandang tingnan yung take-off at napakasaya tingnan, lalo na yung mga big bike, yung kanilang mga tunog. Wow, napawaw talaga ako. Sarap pakinggan sa tenga, no? So ayan guys, maraming salamat sa panonood at sana nagustuhan nyo po yung video na to. At huwag sanang kalimutang i-share at i-like kapag nagustuhan nyo to. Ayan, see you on our next video guys. Bye bye!
He knows, she knows that I deserve it.